Is this why a medical malpractice attorney will not take your case? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today, really fast, about one reason why a medical malpractice attorney may not take your case. Now, sometimes I have individuals who will contact me and they feel that they have been wrong. They feel that the doctor has to pay for what is done to them. But there are things that you have to consider before moving forward on something like this. And before I answer that question as to why is one reason why an attorney may not be wanting to take your case, I want to jump back and give you a foundation as to the 4 basic elements in Maryland what you have to show when you are essentially bringing a negligence case. And those 4 elements deal with duty, breach of duty, causation, and damages. And for the purpose of today's video, I want to talk with you about damages. The easiest way to understand damages in this context is it's going to be the harm that has been done to you, the injury. That is the easiest way to look at damages based on what I'm talking about in this video. So what can happen is that to be successful, Maryland law requires that you prove that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you, causing your damages, your injury, your harm. In some cases, you can have an injury, but the damages are not enough. In other words, the cost to bring the case will outweigh the damages. So if you're in a situation like that, where let's say, for example, your case is worth $100,000, and let's say that it's going to take $80,000 in costs and all of this other stuff to bring the case, hopefully you can see where the problem lies here. $100,000 is what the case is worth. It's going to cost you $80,000 to bring the case. And remember, these cases can go on for years in some instances. So I'm shooting this video today to help you get an understanding about this process. I'm helping you to understand that if the case is not worth enough, if the costs will outweigh what you will be bringing back in, then you may have a very hard time getting an attorney to help you out in your matter. If you would like to speak with me further about what's going on in your situation, maybe you have suffered an injury and you were in the care of a doctor or a hospital and you just have questions about what you're dealing with. This is what I would invite you to do if you're dealing with something like that. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.